BBQ Tempeh lettuce and tomato sandwich recipe. Yield 2 to 3 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cooking time 10 to 15 minutes. Total time 20 to 25 minutes excluding marinating time. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons vegetable oil, 1 block 250 grams tempeh, 1/2 cup vegan barbecue sauce toasted bread of choice, 1 small head of romaine lettuce, 1 medium fresh tomato, sliced, 1 avocado, sliced, 1 roasted red pepper from a jar, deseeded, sliced. Directions: 1. Bring a medium pan of water to a boil. Cut the tempeh into 1/8 inch thin strips. The thinner they are, the crispier they will be. Add the strips to the pan of boiling water and cook for 5 minutes to reduce the bitterness. Drain and pat dry. 2. Mix the tempeh and barbecue sauce and let sit for at least 5 minutes, or ideally for 2 hours or overnight for maximum barbecue flavor. 3. Toast your bread and prep your vegetables. 4. Add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil to a non-stick pan and once heated, add the tempeh strips and cook until golden and crispy on both sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on it as barbecue sauce can quickly burn. Remove from heat when crisp to your liking. 5. Top the toasted bread with some barbecue sauce, add tempeh strips, tomatoes, roasted red pepper, avocado, and lettuce. Enjoy! Notes: 1. Storage, best if enjoyed same day, but you can store the tempeh in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 days. 2. Variations, try with a pickles instead of avocado, or top with a coleslaw mix. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.